Okay, forget all the technical jargon for a second. Let me paint you a picture. You know how when you ask ChatGPT to write an email, you get the email and that's it. That's like asking a librarian for a book recommendation. They tell you the title, but you still have to go find it, check it out, read it, and return it yourself. An AI agent is different. It's like having an assistant who not only recommends the book, but walks to the library, checks it out using your card, brings it to your desk, and even leaves you a summary of the key points. AI agents aren't just fancy chatbots, they're fundamentally different from anything you've used before. In the next 5 minutes, you're going to understand exactly what AI agents are, how they actually work, and most importantly, why they're about to change everything about how we work. Let's break it down with this magic formula. AI agents equals intelligence plus action plus memory. Intelligence, they can think and reason like ChatGPT. Action, they can actually do things such as book appointments, send emails, analyze spreadsheets, update databases, and so on. Memory, they remember what happened yesterday, last week, or even last month and can learn from mistakes. Think of it this way. If your regular AI like ChatGPT is a consultant who gives you a detailed plan, an AI agent is like an employee who takes that plan and executes every step while you focus on other things. If you're loving this breakdown, you're in the right place. Here, I make complex technology simple enough for anyone to understand. Hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you don't miss our deep dives into AI and other aspects of technology shaping our future. Now let's get into the really cool part, how AI agents actually work. Every AI agent follows a 3-step dance, and once you see it, you'll spot it everywhere. I call it the OPA cycle. Observe, plan, act. 1. Observe. The agent constantly watches what's happening. It's monitoring your network traffic, analyzing login attempts, tracking file access patterns, or whatever security systems you've given it access to. But here's the key thing, it also remembers. Unlike regular AI that forgets you the moment you close the chat, agents keep track of everything. For example, a cybersecurity AI agent monitors your company's network 24/7. It notices 50 failed login attempts on an admin account from an IP address in Romania at 3 a.m. 2. Plan. This is where the AI magic happens. The agent uses a large language model like GPT-4 or Claude to reason through what to do next. It's like having a security analyst who can think through multiple threat scenarios in seconds. Same example, the agent thinks 50 failed logins from Romania in 10 minutes. This looks like a brute force attack. The IP isn't on our whitelist. This account has admin privileges. I need to block this IP immediately, lock the account temporarily, and check if any other accounts are being targeted from the same region. 3. Act. Here's where agents separate themselves from regular AI. They don't just tell you what to do, they do it. Using the same example, since you've given them access to your systems, the agent automatically blocks the suspicious IP address through your firewall, temporarily locks the admin account, triggers multi-factor authentication for all admin accounts, scans for similar attack patterns across other accounts, and sends your security team an alert via email or Slack with a full incident report explaining what it detected and what actions it took. This isn't a theory anymore, this is real, and companies are using AI agents right now to do incredible things. Okay, so as students, professionals, business owners, or someone who is just curious about tech, I'm sure you're wondering how AI agents are going to impact your life and what this means for your future. Here's how. Number 1, the job shift. AI agents won't replace you, but people who use AI agents will replace people who don't. Think about it. If someone can do in 1 hour what takes you 40 hours, who do you think gets hired? But here's the opportunity. The people who learn to work alongside these agents, to supervise them, direct them, and train them, those people become superpowers. You become like a conductor of an orchestra where every musician is available 24/7. Number 2, the personal AI assistant era. Within the next 2 to 3 years, you'll likely have your own personal AI agent. Imagine it manages your schedule and automatically declines meetings that conflict with your priorities. It reads your emails and drafts responses in your style. It researches products you're considering buying and makes recommendations. It tracks your health data and suggests when to see a doctor. It even learns what makes you happy and proactively suggests activities. The result? You'll reclaim hours of your day, make better decisions with instant research, and finally have the time to focus on the things that actually require your unique human creativity and judgment. Number 3, the skills that matter. The new valuable skills aren't about doing anymore, they're about directing. Learning to write clear instructions, break down complex problems, and supervise AI agents. These are the skills that will set you apart. AI agents are fundamentally different from everything that came before. They're not just answering questions, they're observing, planning, and taking action in the real world. They remember, they learn, they improve. The companies that embrace this now, they're seeing 10 times cost reductions and 50 times speed improvements. The individuals who learn to work with these agents, they're becoming unstoppable. The future isn't about humans versus AI, it's about humans with AI agents as teammates, and that future is already here. So the real question is, are you ready to meet your new digital teammates? Let me know in the comments, and please, if you enjoyed this video and want to stay ahead of this AI revolution, subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay curious, stay ahead, and I'll see you in the next video.